So now, you would be asking yourself, how do I declare these methods so I can use them on my own benefit? Or when I declare my own methods, how do I know how are they declared? It's actually very, very easy, and I will know how to do it right now. Okay, life, if you remember, we got like as a return value, we got always like a 7 or a 13 or whatever. Okay, so this, if you notice, it has no decimal point and no fractional value, so we can assume it's an integer. Therefore, we can write it as public int length. It receives no actual parameters, so this thing is empty. Then we open this thing and we close it. Something goes in the middle, but we're not gonna care about it right now. Okay, so it is public because remember it's the public interface that our method has. Okay, our class has. Replace, if you remember, with the example Mississippian Mystery, the thing that we got back, it was in a string. So if you're guessing okay, yes, we're gonna use public. String goes with a capital letter because it is a class. And we're gonna call it replace. Here we have two parameters. The first one is a string, and I'm gonna call it target as the thing that the method is gonna look for. And the another string we use as a parameter, and I'm gonna call it replacement. Okay, because I'm gonna replace with this thing whatever I find it. If I find the target, I'm gonna replace it with the thing is called replacement. Okay, and once again something goes in the middle. I'm not gonna care for that right now. And finally, print line. Okay, now when you print, you're actually not returning something. Remember that a return value is something that you're gonna use in your code for manipulating some data or whatever. This print line just gives us some nice characters in our screen. Okay, so that thing is a void. It's a public. Well, let me write here. No return value. So that would be a public void print ln, and you can receive as a parameter string output. Okay, now remember that we saw like 2 or 3 slides ago there's something called override. This thing can also receive an integer, or it can also receive a double, and many other things, but we're not going to check it that right now. This thing, once again, is called override. Override means that with the same function, I can receive multiple parameters and still do my stuff. Okay?